And this model is called ADDIE, another acronym, ADDIE. And here she is. This is Addie. She's come to save the day because she has already figured out that training is the solution to a certain problem. And how really do we find out if training is the solution to a problem? We've just had a case study. What are some of the things that we've done through this case study to determine whether or not training is the solution?
The
Think
equation with the desired performance, the current performance, and the gap.
Okay, so we have a desired performance. Employees should be doing something, right? And then we have a current performance, and they're not really doing what they should be doing. So that leaves us with a performance gap. And we need to find out what is causing that gap. Sometimes it's something that's motivational. The employees are just not motivated. Sometimes the employees have not been provided the resources that they need, so that's why they're not performing. But other times, there is a true knowledge, skill, or attitude gap that needs to be filled with training. So that's where Addie comes in. She comes with 5 steps to help us as instructional designers design a training course with the end goal in mind so that we can close or bridge that performance gap. So if we look at the ADDIE model, what do you think the A stands for? Analyze, you've got it, because we've already performed an analysis with our case study. Then there are 2 D's. Any guesses what those 2 D's might stand for? Design is one of them, and develop. So should design come first or should develop come first? Design should come first, and why do you think that?
Because you need to start with the program before you can really better it. So you need something to start with before you make improvements to it.
Okay, in instructional design language, we call this a blueprint. And we can equate that to, if any of you are familiar with construction at all, if you're building something, there are a set of blueprints. And those blueprints tell you how wide something should be, how tall something should be, exactly where should this piece of property go. So what we do after that design phase is we build it, we develop it. So absolutely, design goes first and then develop. And what do you think the I might stand for? After you've designed it, after you've developed it, what do you usually do with a training program? Incorporate or implement it. So you actually put it into place. Here I've done the analysis, I've designed something, I've developed all the materials, I've developed the visuals, I've developed all the handouts, I know exactly what I'm going to say. So now I need to put this training into place. Usually that part of the model, implementation, is not the responsibility of the instructional designer. It's the responsibility of the organization to put that training in place. And last but not least, we have E. And what do you think E might stand for? Evaluation. It's exactly what happens at the end of a training course or a training session. After it has been implemented, we ask for feedback. What did you like? Did you like the room? Did you like the trainer? What types of things did you like about the training? What types of things could have made this training experience better? So we ask for feedback. And we take that feedback and we do something with it. We read through it, we compile it, and we do something to make the next training session